Sometimes people import an alien species for research, and then, despite precautions, an accident occurs and the aliens enter the native population. Étienne T., a French scientist who lived in Massachusetts, brought the first gypsy moths from Europe into the United States in 1869. He hoped to use them to breed a new kind of silkworm. Some of the gypsy moths escaped. Without many predators, the gypsy moth population exploded. In its caterpillar stage, the moth can eat the leaves from more than 300 different kinds of trees. Since 1980, gypsy moths have destroyed over 1 million acres of forest each year. The moth has spread beyond New England to southern Canada, west to Wisconsin, and south as far as North Carolina. It's easy for the gypsy moth to travel. Its eggs can be transported on cars, lawn furniture, tents, backpacks, firewood, or anything that is used outdoors, even the soles of people's boots. Another alien invasion resulted from a scientific experiment. In 1956, hoping to improve the breeding stock of local honeybees, a scientist imported 63 African bee queens to Brazil. Because worker bees do not fly away as long as the queen remains within the hive, the scientist installed screens to keep the queens inside. But when a local beekeeper innocently removed the screens, the queens flew away into the forest, and the swarms of worker bees followed them. The scientists thought that the African bees would die in the forest, but instead they bred with local honeybees. The offspring, which look much like honeybees, are called Africanized bees. They became known as killer bees because they defend their hives more fiercely than other honeybees. Although their venom is chemically identical to that of the European honeybee, they sting in greater numbers. They stung some farm animals and even a few humans to death. These aggressive bees have spread northward into the United States, continuing to breed with honeybees. The production of honey has been reduced because Africanized bees do not make as much honey as European honeybees.